If you want to know how to permanently delete Snapchat messages from both sides, you have come to the right place. Below is a step-by-step guide. Open Snapchat and navigate to the chat folder at the bottom of the screen. Select the conversation, those messages you want to delete. For example, you want to delete a message you sent. Tap and hold your finger on the message you want to delete. A menu will appear with options such as copy, delete snapshot, reply, etc. Click delete. A message will appear notifying you that friends can see that you have deleted the post. Confirm the deletion. The message will be automatically deleted and the person you are talking to will be notified that you deleted some. Now, if you want to delete a message you received so that the other person will not know about it. Click on the message you want to delete, press and hold your finger on it, then click delete. Delete any other messages you want to remove from the conversation. Click the conversation partner's profile. Click more in the top right corner to open the toggle menu. Click manage friendships. Click block and then confirm your selection by clicking block again. Once blocked, go to your profile, open settings, scroll down to the privacy and find blocked users. Unblock a previously blocked user. By following these steps, you will be able to permanently delete Snapchat messages on both sides without the knowledge of the person you are talking to. Hope this guide was helpful for you. If it was, leave a like, subscribe and goodbye.